Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make ginger garlic paste today. I use ginger garlic paste in a lot of my recipes. So some people ask me how to make this. So I'm showing you here. It's pretty easy. You need ginger and garlic in equal quantities. Just measure them. I just peel the garlic and wash the ginger very well and skin it and dry it and cut into small pieces and measure that also. Here I took about 300 grams of each one. So drying the ginger is very important. Water wetness can spoil the whole thing. It's not going to preserve unless you keep it in the refrigerator. So if you don't want to keep it in the refrigerator, you want to keep it outside, just dry it well. And you need salt and turmeric for that. For this amount of like 300 grams each, I took a tablespoon of salt and a teaspoonful of turmeric. It's the salt and turmeric I didn't take in equal quantity. Turmeric can be less, but these two go together very well and they preserve anything very well as long as it's not wet with water. So now I used a food processor. Usually you can use a grinder or a mixie or anything, but I like it in the food processor. It's convenient for me. So I add the salt and turmeric to that and grind it well and take the paste out into, once it's a paste finely ground, then take it into the bottle, dry bottle, and store it in a dry place. And if you are not sure, like if you didn't dry it very well, the ginger very well, then put it in the refrigerator. It can stay up to 1 or 2 months. Sometimes if it is, I use it, I make it large quantities and use it in 3 months also sometimes. So this goes with a lot of recipes. So hope you like the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box or email me. My email address is there in the comment box. Thank you for watching.